My dear viewers, now discuss physical and chemical changes based on ICSE class 7. Now discuss the some objective type question, true false. At first concept the physical and chemical change. A physical change is a temporary change that does not create a new substance and only affect the physical property. Physical property means color, odor, etc. of a substance. Also, no change the chemical composition of the substance. Example of the physical change: folding of paper, dissolving sugar in water, melting ice, boiling water, melting ice, etc. Okay, chemical change. A chemical change occurs when the atoms in substance are arranged into different combinations. This process is also known as chemical reaction. Chemical reaction form a new product and also change the chemical composition. Example of chemical change: cooking, sugar, digestion, respiration, burning, rusting, rotting, etc. Okay. Now write T for true and A for false. Germination of seed is an example of a slow change. This statement is true. Okay. Cutting of tree is an artificial change. This statement is true. Artificial means by the human activity. Okay. Next part, that is the cyclones occur periodically. This change is false. Cyclone is the uncertain change. Okay. Next question. Withering of leaves is an irreversible change. This statement is true. Okay. Burning of a matchstick is a fast change. This statement true. Okay. Next question. Question number 6. All changes in nature are reversible. This statement false. Okay. Next question. Occurrence of landslides is a periodic change. Okay. This statement false. Next question. In a physical change, the chemical change property, that is the chemical properties of a substance change. This statement false. Okay. Next question. Sublimation is an example of a physical change. This statement true. Okay. Next question. Rotting of vegetables is an example of a chemical change. This statement true. Cutting down of trees is an artificial change. This statement true. Artificial change means human activity change. Okay. Next question. Question number 12. Germination of seed is the first change. This statement false. The product of an desirable change are harmful and unpleasing. This statement false. Okay. The changes in which there is release of heat energy are called exothermic change. That is the creating the temperature. This statement true. Next question, question number 15. If the chemical properties of a substance remain unchanged, but its shape changes, it is chemical change. This statement false. The new products formed in a chemical change show new properties. This statement is true. In a physical changes, the energy change is minimal. This statement true. Next question, question number 18. The process in which a solid gets converted into its liquid state when heated is known as boiling. This statement false. Next question, the process of evaporation takes place at a temperature below the melting point of the liquid. This statement false. Next question, that is the last question of this part. Changing that repeat after a fixed interval of time are known as periodic change. This statement true. Okay, my dear viewers, any query please comment in box. Thank you.